You're watching the Abbe's Golden Girls and Guys show, where Abbe Chain helps you get and stay fit while having fun in the comfort of your own home. Abbe shares healthy and delicious recipes, and there's always something new going on, so you need to hurry up and get in on the fun.
Hey everyone, this is Abbe Chain with Abbe's Golden Girls and Guys, and welcome to the Abbe's Golden Girls and Guys cooking show. As you can see, I'm in my workout outfit. I went to go run a few errands, and now I am home ready to make my Berry Delicious Smoothie. So as you know, I'm a woman on the go, and if you don't know that about me, I am a woman on the go. So most of my recipes involve 5 ingredients or less, and they're delicious and they're healthy. Now, not all of them are healthy, but most of them are healthy. Like I said, I'm not perfect, but I'm so close to it. So we're gonna start off with our Berry Delicious Smoothie. So I'm gonna start off by putting in 1/3 cup of water into my blender. Then I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of what we call almond butter. So let me just go in here and oh my gosh, I'm a big peanut butter person, so I'm sure that this almond butter is going to come out just as good. So here we go. Here's 1, and then I'm going to take another teaspoon of the butter. Yep, and my hands are clean, so that's why I'm just using my fingers to get the rest of this almond butter into my blender. Next, I'm going to take a 1/2 cup of almond milk, and I use the unsweetened almond milk. And I love almond milk because it has very little sugar in it. So I'm going to go ahead and add my 1/2 cup of almond milk. And then last but not least, I'm adding 1/3 cup of fresh blueberries. Now, you could also add frozen blueberries. So if you're going to add frozen blueberries, you don't need to add the ice to it. But I'm using fresh blueberries, so I'm going to go ahead and add a cup of ice to my Berry Smoothie. Handsome husband Alan, are you going to be my guinea pig and taste this?
I always am. Ready to go.
All right, let's go get handsome husband Alan a nice glass. Were you going to let me taste some of it?
Absolutely.
All right, since I made it, we should. All right, here we go. I'm so excited to make our Berry Delicious Smoothie. All right, here it goes. Ooh, it looks delicious. Hey, it's even purple. I wonder why. Is that the berry?
It smells delicious.
Uh-huh.
Taste.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's
What
a
is
hit.
it? Is it good? Is it
It's
good?
really good. Everybody, you're going to love this one.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Ah, I love the taste of the almond butter. I love the fact that there's blueberries in here, good for antioxidants. And I'm just amazing. Hey, did I ever tell you about my Abbe's Golden Girls fitness show? Well, if I haven't, let me tell you again. And if I have, it's always good to listen. Consistency. So I teach online classes. I've been teaching for 26 years now. And the only time I ever stopped was to give birth to my 2 children. I'm an exercise fanatic. It is my addiction, and I'd rather have that addiction because it's a clean addiction. So therefore, every Monday and Thursday I teach online, live, for 40 minutes, and they're recorded. How cool is that? So if you can't make my class, you will get the recording delivered right to your email that day. And my classes are only $15 a month, coming out to only less than $2 a class. All right, or you can pay for the year, $150, and it's for all levels. And guess what? You could even invite your significant other. It's for men, it's for women, and anyone over 50 years old. Not to say that if you have a grandchild or a child visiting, make them work out with you. So my Gmail address is, because we do offer free trial classes, and it will be on my YouTube channel. It's called abbe's.goldengirls@gmail.com. So go ahead, why don't try it? You'll like it for a free trial week. Bye, everybody. I hope you like your Berry Delicious Smoothie. Abbe with Abbe's Golden Girls and Guys. Bye now.
Thanks for watching the Abbe's Golden Girls and Guys show. New live videos every week. Ask a friend to sign up for a free trial at vegero.com/Abbe's Golden Girls.